New York's Attorney General Letitia James is asking a judge to bar former President Donald Trump from moving assets to his new company. He incorporated Trump Organization 2 the same day James sued the original Trump Organization for fraud. Officials argue the move is an attempt to protect assets.
And to talk about this, CBS News investigative reporter Graham Cates is here with us in Studio 57. Graham, good morning. Good to see you. Glad to have you with us. So what does this all mean exactly? What is the Attorney General worried about here that the Trump Organization may be doing with this new company?
Well, so the thing that they say they suspect is that this new company, which was set up in Delaware and not New York, and registered in New York the very day that the Attorney General sued the Trump Organization. And what they say is they're worried that they're going to start moving assets in a way that will prevent the state from recovering what they're asking for, which is significant. Remember, they're suing the Trump Organization for $250 million, as well as trying to shut down their New York-based operations. And of course, they're saying, you know, if the operations are moved out of state before this is all resolved, that's a problem for us.
The very day, that timing is sort of interesting, isn't it, Graham? All right, so what is the AG asking the court to do then to keep, as it says, the Trump Organization in line?
You hear this commonly with these Trump cases. They're asking for an independent monitor with whom every time the Trump Organization submits, whether it's a new statement of financial condition, which is this a lengthy document that describes the companies and Trump's finances, to a bank, or whether they move assets, this would be someone who would have to say, this is okay with me, I'm logging it, I'm okaying it, and we're making sure we know where all the money and the assets are.
How has the company responded to all of this? What's at stake here?
So there's a kind of a three-point response that they gave. The first thing is this almost at this point boilerplate thing where they say New York Attorney General Letitia James is being political. And you get that every time you get a statement from the Trump Organization for several years now about the New York Attorney General. They say that. And then they said that they've provided assurances in writing that they're not doing anything improper. Now, that was very careful phrasing. They didn't say that we're not moving assets. They said that we're not doing anything improper. And then the third part is really interesting. They said this is an attempt by the Attorney General to keep the same judge in place who oversaw this lengthy investigation. And that's actually, in this last month, that's been where the fighting in the court has been. The Trump Organization wants a different judge. They're not happy with the one that has already overseen the investigation. And the Attorney General is saying, for efficiency's sake, this is a massive case. This guy knows it. Keep it with the same judge. And now that's what they're fighting about.
And so, Graham, this investigation has been ongoing for a while. It seems to be coming to a head. What is the timeline here? When will the trial take place?
So that all plays into the same thing. It should be a simple answer, right? So the Attorney General has asked for the trial to begin in late 2023. That's just a year. That's actually very fast for a case of this kind of sweeping magnitude. And they've said that's because the judge that we want knows everything. There's like 1 million pages of documents in this case, and he's reviewed almost all of them. And the Trump Organization is saying there's a better court in New York for this, and that judge will have to, if it gets moved there, they'll have to review everything. So they haven't even said, let's delay it, but you can kind of read the tea leaves on that. If they move it to a new one, then it won't be by late 2023.
Interesting. Wow, these timelines are always fun to watch, right, Graham?
It's all part of this like kind of big legal game.
Graham, thank you very much. We appreciate your time with us.